Click on the link below to get price. The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike stands out in the competitive electric bike market with its powerful specifications and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation or a recreational ride. At the heart of this model is its robust 1200W brushless motor, which delivers impressive torque and acceleration, allowing for smooth rides even on steep inclines. This power is complemented by a top speed of 30 miles per hour, making it suitable for both commuting and leisurely rides. One of the most commendable features of the ACTBEST Core is its sturdy construction. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, providing durability while keeping the overall weight manageable. Riders will appreciate the adjustable seat and handlebars, ensuring comfort for various body types. The bike's 26-inch wheels contribute to stability and control, enhancing the riding experience on different terrains, whether it be city streets or rural trails. The battery life is another significant highlight. With a 48V lithium battery, riders can enjoy a range of 35 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assistance levels. This makes it perfect for daily commutes or longer weekend adventures without the worry of running out of power. Additionally, the bike features a smart LCD display, which conveniently shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing riders to track their performance easily. Safety features are also thoughtfully integrated into the design. The ACTBEST Core is equipped with front and rear disc brakes for reliable stopping power, even at higher speeds. Moreover, its built-in LED lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring safety in low-light conditions. Overall, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults combines performance, comfort, and safety, making it a valuable investment for anyone looking to enhance their mobility or enjoy outdoor activities. With its superior motor, robust build, and impressive range, it certainly delivers on the promise of a high-quality electric biking experience.